Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just open up your browser and on Google search for download VirtualBox. Then just go to the first link. Then here, go to downloads and then just click on Windows Host. Then it will start downloading, just wait. And after it has been downloaded, just click on Open File. Click on Yes. Then click on Next. Select where you want to install the program and then click on Next again. Click on Yes. Click on Yes. Click on Install. After installation has been completed, just check this box and click on Finish. And that is how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.